everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with a project share for my design team package that I received from Eyelet Outlet, and I will leave their link down below. And I'm so excited to show you. They have tons of brads, super cute brads, and they sent me these little chicks. Let me see if I can, in a pack. And I created this bookmark, and I thought I would create one with you to show you different ways on how to use brads, because a lot of us that have been in crafting for a long time, brads were a big thing once upon a time, and they have come, because used to brads were just like the circle brads that you'd punch a hole, and now they come in all shapes and sizes. As you can see, like on these bookmarks, there is an owl, a witch's hat, and a dog. And I got all of these, and I wanted to create a bookmark with you. We're going to do this one together. And as you can see, I love to repurpose and use chipboard from packages that I get, which this is from the canned cat food that Simon just absolutely loves, and their boxes are super thick. So, and I've went ahead and cut out these papers just to save time on the video, and hope you guys are having a wonderful Labor Day and you're safe. And we're just going to glue these papers down to this piece of chipboard, and the glue that I love to use is either tonic glue, which is this Nuvo tonic glue, or Barely Arts glue, which I've been using this one a lot lately. And really on stuff like this, any glue will do. And the first thing we want to do is punch a hole so we can put our hanging element from our tag. And I'm going to use my Crocodile, or you can use any kind of hole punch. So let's just kind of make it as middle as possible. I'm not a measurer when it comes to stuff like that, and it probably won't be perfect, but that's okay. Because as I love to say, crafting is not perfect, it's unique. And the die that I used for this was this set that I had in my stash, and it's just like flags. And I thought, oh, that would be cute to make dies or make bookmarks out of. And what I want to do is I love to distress the edges, because as you can see, you can still see, let's see if I can get it to focus for you guys. You can still see the chipboard, and I don't like that. So I like to distress the edges, and it just kind of gives it a finished look. And my favorite distressing ink is Ranger Tim Holtz. And as what most of you know, I love vintage look, and so this walnut, I cannot talk today, forgive me. Walnut stain is my absolute favorite distress ink, because it just gives it that worn, vintage, old look, and it just changes the look of your project. So there is that. And to save time, I went ahead and cut my words out. I've got glue all over my fingers, and as you can see, I've used this whole bag of these cute little chicks. Now, you can do one of two things. You can punch a hole through your paper and then just put these in there. Me, I have to do things the hard way. What I did was I took the little, let's see, come on camera, these little prongs here, I cut these off so I could just glue my brads straight down, and I just used my pliers there. So we'll go ahead and cut those, and we'll cut these as close as we can. And then all I did was, let me see if I can get it to focus. I think it's got too much to look at. All right, let's see if we can move that. Let's see if we can bring, come on, focus. All right, so all I did was on these prongs here, I just pushed them down is all I did. See, come on, focus, focus. Come on, it's not gonna focus for me. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. And just push them down. So that's all we're gonna do on both of these. Is we are going to, and like I said, I mean, you can, before you put the back paper on, you can punch a hole through it, and then you can just put that and, you know, put them through there. I just kind of, for these, I just wanted to do them this way. And in order to glue these down, I'm using glossy accents because it's a little bit easier to stick down with metal. So let's go ahead and let's stick these down. And glossy accents works awesome with metals. And it has dried up, of course. I'm bad for that. So let's go ahead and get that open back up. Tell you what, I don't know what I would do without that. All right, so let's glossy accent this stuff up on the back, and we are going to put this brad down here. We're just going to glue that little baby right there, as you can see, cute little thing. And let's do this other one. I love these little brads. So let's get this one put down. We'll put him right here. Stinking cute. And then I went ahead and cut out my words, and I put happy. Get that out there. Happy. Family. Because I think this is a brother and sister, and they love each other, and they want to hang with each other. So what I'm going to do is I am going to glue. You can use glossy accents. You can use any kind of glue that you would like. So I'm just going to use this glue here. And we are going to glue this word down. So it would say happy. And you want glue that dries clear. That way it doesn't goop up on your project. And let's do this one here. This one says family. And we're just gonna glue, 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 glue. Are you guys like me? Do you love to just get all nasty and you get glue all over you no matter how hard you try not to? All right, so there is this so far. And you can see how the brads just lay flat the way I did them. And what we're gonna do is we are going to put some bling. We have to have some bling. And I love to use my glossy accents with my bling. So let's put one here. Just drop it right on there. We'll put one here. Drop it right there. Flip those over. Come on, flip over. Do you guys see, if I was to edit, I'd edit that part out. And then we're going to put one right here. Flip one over. Ta-da! So there, a little bling goes a long way. There is a bookmark that quick. And here is some eyelash trim that I want to use for the hanging element of my bookmark. And let me get my tweezers because it makes it easier to thread. And what we'll do is we will just, this is what I like to do because my nails kind of make it hard. I just pull it through there, thread it through here. And there we go. We've made a bookmark in 10 minutes. Would have probably been quicker if I hadn't had fumble fingers. So, hope you liked it. Super fun and easy gift that you could do for somebody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.